Hello to all of you guys. Welcome to Code Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we will explain to create a class and create an object and create two object and call in any methods of new object. Everything object. Okay. First we are creating student class. Student class has two functions. Do this, give information and init. First function is init. Second function is give information. Init function has four parameters. Do this, name and age and length. We are defining name and surname and age and length parameter in this here, in here. And second method is give information. Give information is printing blah 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 name. Here is value of name parameters. Here is value of surname parameters. Here is value of age parameters, and here is value of name parameters. Here is value of surname parameters. Here is value of length parameters. So here, okay. Then we are assigning student class to first object. First object is S1 in this here. We are assigning student class to S2. S2 is second object. Ahmet, Faruk, Tunç, Ahmet, Faruk and Tunç and 19 and 2.91 is value of parameters for first object. Murat and Mamadev and 21 and 2.38 is value of parameters for S2. Finally, we are calling give information methods for S2. Most finally, output is Murat Mamadev is 21 years old. Length of Murat Mamadev student is 2.38. Okay. I hope you can understand. That was all That was all I will say in this video. Have a good time. See you later. Goodbye.